Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you are new here. Thank you for joining me. I have a different kind of video today. This is a giveaway. I don't do too many giveaways because I'm a teacher, but I do have some things that I definitely want to give away to you guys. I recently had my 1-year YouTube anniversary back in the end of May, and it just took me a while to kind of get my stuff together so I could do this. But you should be watching this video on Friday, May 11th, but if you're not, this video will run until this giveaway will run from May 11th until May 25th, 2018, and I have a Rafflecopter link down below. All of the instructions will be there. I apologize again for having US only. I am very, very sorry. I will figure out how to do. I'm going to mail my first international package before the end of this month. So once I know how to do it and what it requires and how much it costs and things like that, then I will be able to figure out how to do more international giveaways. Otherwise, I will figure out how to do e-gift cards for Erin Condren or Etsy or something like that. If you guys have ever done anything like that, let me know. Can you buy a gift card for Etsy and then send it to a different country? Does that work? Are e-gift cards for Etsy easy to use? I don't know the details, you guys. Have never done it before. So if you have any information or insight, let me know down below so I can make these giveaways international. So I apologize to my international subscribers. My friends, I'm sorry. But to the rest of you that are still watching, I do have three main giveaways, and then some these will be kind of on the fly and at Instagram. And these you can win internationally, but they will not have tracking. So I don't know. Okay. Let me do the giveaways kind of in order. So the first one is a Planner Society giveaway, and I don't have full kits or anything to give you guys. It's just kind of a sampling of some things and some of the box sticker kits. So if you have never tried Planner Society, you can definitely give them a shot. So the first thing is this little pouch. I can't remember what month this is from, but it has a scallop detail, the little bow on the front, the pattern with the floral here. It's really cute. I've obviously played with it, but I've not used it for anything. So this is the inside. And then I am including this stamp set. So it says Hello Sunshine on her hat. And then there's a girl carrying a pineapple pool floaty. And then I have a couple journaling cards. So be wild and free and take the road less traveled. So I will include those journaling cards, these two stamps in this little pouch, and then, or however it best ships together. And then these are puffy stickers, and they're all really, really pretty florals, and then you get the beautiful decorated card in the background also. I don't think I've even opened those before. Then you have two box sticker kits, and these are in the newer format. So you have this pink and black and white floral, which is super pretty. I love this little picture here and this floral. So adorable. She did have a TN in this pattern, so if you have that TN, you might be really interested in this one. I won't necessarily open these all up, but they're kind of the same format. And then you have this really cute teacup one. I think it's adorable. It's just not what I thought it was going to be, color wise. So I'm okay, I don't need it. I can pass it along. Somebody else can enjoy it. But it's really, really pretty. And again, it's the box sticker kit. So this will fit in Recollections, Erin Condren, Happy Planner, any inserts that have the 1.5 by 1.9 kind of style boxes, or you can make it work by adding things or cutting things. And then I'm also going to throw in this Rose Colored Days sticker sheet because I think it's really cute. This was a glitch. It's from her grab bag thing, and it's not foiled, but you could foil it yourself because it's from a laser printer, and the cut lines are almost perfect, but they're I don't know, like they're a little close to the text and things like that, but they all look like very usable stickers, and I already have a couple of these. So you have setup planner for 2 different styles. You have order stickers, time to plan, happy mail with bubble mailers, Etsy sticker sale, and new releases. So I thought that was really cute, and I think it kind of goes with the vibe of Planner Society. So I thought that was really cute. So this is the Planner Society giveaway. You will have to pick your prize, like you can only like pick one of the 3. You can't enter like 3 different times, or I don't know. So that's the biggest prize. The next prize is a little bit smaller, but love it. This is, oh, just kidding. It's this one. The next one is the Summer Mermaid mini kit on premium matte paper. You guys, it's so good. From Lily and Miko. And then I'm also going to include this journaling card that you typically get with her orders. And this is a mini kit. I will link up here a video that shows me unboxing this kit so you can see it if you want. But these are the full boxes. It's perfect for summer. It is so, so cute. And if you win and you have a YouTube channel and I haven't used this kit yet, let me know and let's do a collab. Like for real. For real, for real. Because I've never done a collab before and I think it would be fun. And this kit is so cute. But only if I haven't used it yet, because I'm like dying to use it. Anyways, this is the Summer Mermaid kit. So you get a mini kit on premium matte paper and a journaling card. And then the last giveaway is another Lily and Miko Designs mini kit on premium matte. And this is called Citrus. So it's a little bit brighter, a little bit more like middle of the summer kind of vibe. When you are like in it and it's hot out. And then another journaling card. Oh, and these do have glitter headers and chibi girls that normally come with her her kit. So those are in there. I just flipped them to the back so I could show you the full boxes without them being blocked. So this is the Citrus kit. Again, Citrus. And then this is Summer Mermaid. Oh my god, I love it. And then this is the Planner Society giveaway. Again, this one is a little bit bigger, but you know, enter for what you want. And then, like I said, I'm going to have a couple other, like, I'm just going to mail these in a card and not like have track shipping and all of that stuff. But these are also Lily and Miko samplers. You guys, I love her shop. Like, you have no idea. That's why I'm giving these away, because I love her shop. So I have Chibi Girls on matte paper, and then you get a small sampler of her like little like functional icons. I can zoom in, I guess. On, I think this one's premium. These are both premium matte, yeah. So these are premium matte, and then the Chibi Girls are on regular matte. You can see right there, like, the vibrancy of the black. Oh my gosh. So you get the like little in bags so you can see the difference in size between these. I think the little ones are so cute. But you get this whole like sampler. I guess I'll show you on the bigger one. So I will just like stick these in a card and mail those off. So those will be like during these 2 weeks. I'll give these away on Instagram. So keep a lookout for that. And then the rest of these will be through the raffle copter. So if you guys are interested, definitely go enter. It opens this Friday when this video is being posted. If it's past Friday, it's open until the 25th. I probably won't ship until like early June because I'll have to get everybody's information and that kind of thing and verify everybody. So just keep that in mind. I'm giving myself about a week to kind of get also the end of my school year kind of packed away, and then I'll have time to get these out at like the very, very beginning of June. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down below or email me at tigerkittyco@gmail.com. You can DM me on Instagram, whatever you want to do to get in touch with me, and I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you like this giveaway. I know it's a lot of Lily and Miko, but I love Lily and Miko, and I want you guys to try her shop if you haven't already, which is why there's so much. So thank you guys for a wonderful year. I can't wait to have more. And thank you guys for being here, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.